Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is a very anticipated video, at least anticipated for me, because this was something I paid for on February 1st, 2019. It is now October, and I finally got it, I got it exactly like 7 months after I paid for it because this company sucks. Like, that's the best way I can put it. They have beautiful products. I absolutely love their products, but their production time and like promises and just being business people, they're not good. They're just not good at that at all. And I know they're like, we're a small business. Well, that's fine, but don't promise things that you can't deliver and that you're going to have people pay for months and months and months. Because in case you haven't figured out who I'm talking about Storybook Cosmetics. And their first book of the month was a disaster too. We paid in May. It was supposed to be delivered in August. We didn't get it till December. Then they're like, we're not going to charge you till February, and then it'll be ready. Yeah, well, I've been waiting. It's been a problem. They have tried to do some things, which I'll kind of talk about, but they need to get their shit together, especially because they keep doing books that I really want, and I don't want to miss them. So I'm putting up with their shit even though I shouldn't. Excuse my language. So this is the second book in the book club series. This is The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes, Arthur Conan Doyle. It's beautiful. I mean, they do absolutely beautiful work. You can see all the gold lettering. They have about their little company on the back, and I know they're an indie. They're run by triplets. They're in Omaha, Nebraska, so they're not like huge corporation or anything, but still. Inside there is a mirror, and then there's a quote underneath it. I'm trying to not blind you. It says, "You see but you do not observe," Arthur Conan Doyle. They see the problem, but they don't observe how to fix it. Anyway, also with that, you always get a bookmark with them. You don't get the bookmarks, I think, if you order through Ulta, but you're probably more likely to get stuff from Ulta. The Adventures of Sherlock Holmes by Arthur Conan Doyle, or A. Conan Doyle, The Strand Library, 2018, Volume 2, because this was supposed to be out in 2018, which is really funny. I hope that the next one that they're going to do, which is Jane Eyre, which is one of my all-time favorite books. I mean, they did Little Women. That was the first one. Little Women's one of my top 5 favorite books. Now Jane Eyre, another one of my top 5 favorite books. Like, they're probably going to do all of them because all of mine are very classical and very beloved books. On the back of the bookmark, they do have all of the ingredients for all of the shades as well. And then since they were so late in getting stuff, they did design, and they had time to actually like manufacture these. It is a little tiny brush that looks like a spyglass. Unfortunately, it's like the spyglass itself is a little big compared to the book, but it's still really cute. And it says Storybook Cosmetics on it. It has the S. They do have very nice brushes. I will say that for them. I am going to keep this in its little baggie because of the spyglass part. I'm worried about that getting scratched up. So what's inside? You're probably like, it's been 4 minutes almost. Where's the stuff inside? Here is what it looks like. You get 3 shades and a liquid lipstick. We're going to do the liquid lipstick first, which is called Baker Street. This might be a little brown. I wish I had thought to grab my Little Women one to see how it compares, because I feel like this is kind of a similar shade. I don't know. This is one that I'll have to try out. Even if I don't like it and I'm not going to wear it, I'm going to keep it because it's part of the collection. But that's what it looks like. That is a very brown shade. And then the 3 shades inside are Watson, which is like the shimmer, which really fits Watson. Sherlock, which is that like matte color right there. And then Moriarty, which is like the darker color, which also fits. So I do like that they really seem to fit the characters, and they work hard on matching things and making like something that you could put together a look. Actually, I think this would be a really beautiful look for your eyes. Those 3 shades are just really nice. They are not really smooth. Like when you put your finger in it, it's going to feel a little rough, but I don't mind that with Storybook. I don't know, they still work well, so I don't mind as much. Sometimes those type of things turn out really patchy. So that's what's frustrating. Like the quality of Storybook is usually really nice, but their execution and just their business end of it is really frustrating. I do have all of their palettes. I have the Witchcraft and Wizardry, which they are going to be retiring soon. And then I also have the Mean Girls palette, the Burn Book. They said that that one is going to be going away as well. And then also the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory one, which is also being discontinued. If you want to get them, I really recommend you purchasing them through Ulta. One, I know they have them in stock. Storybook said they're going to do one more restock and then they're done. Who knows when that will happen. So if you can get them from Ulta, that's what I would do. We'll see if they put out other things. They've been talking about doing a Star Wars something. There's supposed to be something with the Hunger Games, which I don't think has ever come out. They're supposed to be doing a Care Bears palette and like a Starry Starry Night by Van Gogh. None of those have come out, so who knows. We'll see when Jade Eyre, they charge us, because they're not supposed to charge us till they're ready to ship. So hopefully they've figured things out, and hopefully they will let us know. I don't get their emails ever, so I feel like I'm constantly checking their social media, trying to get updates for myself, which is frustrating. If somebody's ordered, that you should be sending them the updates. Anyway, that's my rant. That's the set. I'm very happy with it. Like, I'm not happy waiting 7 months for it. I think that part of it's really awful, but the set itself, I feel like, is worth it. This is $24.99 every other month or every month or whenever they decide to do them, and then there's $4 shipping, so I paid $28.99 altogether, which I don't think, I mean, it's an independent company, so I don't mind paying a little bit more than I normally would, but I just hope they get their stuff together. Anyway, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Have you tried to get any other stuff? Do you have any other palettes or their brushes? Or did you like try to get their club and then just quit? Let me know down below. I hope you are having a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.